The joy of the Lord is my strength. That's what I'll say, because Bible says otini ni amane doso. Nanso eradiji ni free ni nemo. Men kasa me otini ni. But I try hard, very hard, not to be in trouble. But trouble finds me anyway. But what will I say? I'm human, so I can only focus. Yeah, I love my music, I love my craft, I love the gift God gave me. I appreciate everything God has done for me, so I do whatever I can to protect everything God has given me, including my talent. So that's how I go. Nothing bothers me.
A recent interview, I think it was, I don't know, it's Accra FM or whatever, and you said, Becca Kafano, Nagana for Munya Stars,
yeah, because you see, there is power in appreciation. There is power in appreciation because God gives us artists to entertain us. You know, there are so many areas of entertainment. There are the comedians, there are the actors, there are the musicians, there are the traditional performers and all of that. So all these things are given to humanity for enjoyment. So if it is given to you and what you want to do is always ridicule it or rub it in the mud, do you think God will give you again? Yeah. So if you look at the Western world, the reason why all these celebrities out there have their negative life though, but you realize that they project them even the more, they appreciate them even the more, because they have that simple concept, power of gratitude. Gratitude, not to the artist, but to the God who gave you an artist to entertain you. So we should be watchful.